Dr. Nicholas Kokalis and Professor David Maziere are influential figures in the realm of blockchain and decentralized technology. Their efforts aim to redefine the digital economy through innovative approaches to scalability, security, and accessibility in blockchain systems. Dr. Nicholas Kokalis, PhD. The visionary mind behind PiNetwork, Dr. Kokalis embarked on a mission to empower individuals globally by creating a platform that allows everyone to participate in and shape the future of digital life. His ambition is realized through the use of a decentralized, user-centric blockchain designed to be accessible to all. This vision stems from his deep understanding of blockchain technology's potential to enact real change in everyday life. PiNetwork did not emerge overnight. It is the result of extensive research and unwavering dedication to developing technology that is not only accessible, but also beneficial to everyone, regardless of their technical knowledge or resources. Blockchain technology, while powerful, has often been perceived as complex and out of reach for the average person. Dr. Kokalis, with his robust academic background and extensive experience in technology development, saw an opportunity to create a network that is not only secure and efficient, but also inclusive and easy to use. Thus, he introduced the concept of Pi mining, a process so simple that it can be done using just a smartphone. Unlike other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which require expensive hardware and consume vast amounts of energy, PiNetwork is designed to be environmentally friendly and easily accessible, breaking down barriers that have historically kept many people out of the cryptocurrency world. A revolution in mining, from Bitcoin to PiNetwork. To appreciate the revolutionary nature of PiNetwork, it's important to understand how it differs from other cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, indeed revolutionized the global financial landscape. However, its mining process is resource-intensive, requiring significant energy consumption and specialized hardware, which makes it inaccessible to many. PiNetwork, on the other hand, offers a greener, more inclusive alternative. Mining Pi doesn't require any special equipment or significant energy consumption. All you need is a smartphone, making it an attractive option for those who want to join the digital revolution without the technical or financial barriers. Professor David Maziere, PhD. The innovator behind the Stellar Consensus Protocol. While Dr. Kokalis focused on creating a user-friendly and inclusive network, Professor David Maziere, PhD, brought his innovation in network consensus to the table. As the creator of the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP, Professor Maziere has transformed the way digital transactions are conducted globally. SCP is a highly reliable payment mechanism that ensures smooth transactions, whether they are cross-border or local. SCP not only provides exceptional transaction speed, but also ensures that these transactions are carried out with minimal fees. In a world that is increasingly globalized, where cross-border transactions are commonplace, SCP offers a much-needed solution to the high costs and slow processes associated with traditional financial transactions. Furthermore, SCP is designed with energy efficiency and environmental sustainability in mind, making it the ideal choice for a greener digital era. By combining the strengths of these two innovators, PiNetwork has created a digital ecosystem that is not only advanced and efficient, but also inclusive and environmentally friendly. The network uses SCP to secure its activities, ensuring that every transaction is fast, secure, and low cost. This is a significant step toward a future where everyone, regardless of their background or location, can participate in the global digital economy. PiNetwork's global impact. As PiNetwork continues to grow, its impact on the world becomes increasingly evident. The network is not just a means of conducting digital transactions. It's a platform for a wide range of applications and innovations, created by a global community. With more developers interested in building on PiNetwork, the ecosystem continues to expand, offering solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges. Accessibility. Both leaders are committed to making blockchain technologies more accessible to the masses. Efficiency. Their projects prioritize energy efficiency, scalability, and security, addressing some of the key challenges in the blockchain space. Financial inclusion. By enabling low-cost transactions and easy access to digital currencies, they aim to include marginalized and underserved populations in the global financial system. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.